Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download shaders for Minecraft. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, let's go ahead and download the mod loader, okay, which is Iris Shaders. Okay, just go ahead and open up a web browser and go ahead over to irisshaders.dev/download. Okay, hit on enter, wait for the website to load. And once it loads, just click on download universal jar. Okay. Click on it and save it on your desktop. Hit on save just for you to be able to see it easily. Okay. Now going back, now what we're going to do next is just go ahead and download a shader pack. Okay. You can go ahead and look it up right here in the search bar. Minecraft shader packs. Okay. Like so. As you can see here, we have ones from Modrinth and CurseForge, which are trusted websites where most of the mods are located and are ready for download. Okay, I'm just going to be using CurseForge right here. As you can see, we do have a ton of options, shaders, and here are the mods. So maybe I'm just going to go ahead and choose maybe a BSL shaders right here. Again, remember the game version 1.21.7. Hit on download, wait for the download page right here. Go ahead and save it on your desktop, wherever you want. Okay, once that's done, you're going to go ahead and minimize the browser right here. And here we have the downloaded files. Okay, so what we're going to do here is just double click on Iris Installer. Wait for it. Now, as you might remember, we do need the game version 121. Let's just go back right here, 0.8. Okay, as you can see here, 1.11.8 is selected. Select Iris only and just hit on install. Wait for it. It says here completed. You can now go ahead and close this one. Now go ahead and open up the Minecraft launcher. Now that will be a drop down right here. Just select Iris, okay, or Iris Shaders. Then click on play. If not, go to installations, Iris and Sodium right here. Just hit on play. I understand. Play. Wait for it. As you can see, it needs additional folders. And here we have the game loading. As you can see here, we do have this RAR file. We're going to be needing this. Just go to options right here. Now go to video settings. Go to shaders right here. I'm just going to go ahead and make it bigger just for you to see. Shader packs. Now in here, just click on open shader pack folder. Okay, here we have the folder. So let's just go ahead and move this RAR file onto this folder. Okay, as you can see here, the game reacts. And we have the BSL v10.0.zip. You can now go ahead and close this folder. All you need to do is just click on a shader. If you have multiple shaders, you can go ahead and select all and then just click on apply. Wait for it. As you can see here, it now turns yellow. That means that it's good to go. You can now go ahead and hit on done. Or if not, you can go ahead and click on shader pack settings right here. Okay. As you can see, you have a ton of options like lighting, environment color, anti-aliasing, material, camera, color grading, and extras. Okay, style right here, classic, original, profile, high, ultra, minimum, low. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it to ultra and hit on apply. Done, done, done. Play, and there you have it. Okay, as you can see here, we now have these beautiful clouds, and that's basically it. That's how you download shaders in Minecraft. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.